So what we're looking at today is converting from degrees to radians and radians into degrees. These are the questions that we're looking at doing today. Now these will give you a good overview of converting between degrees and radians and the variety of types of questions that you can have. So let's look at our first question. We need to convert 3 pi over 2 radians into degrees. Now what we need to remember is that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Since pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, 3 pi over 2 is equal to 3 times 180 over 2, which is equal to 270 degrees. Our second question is change 60 degrees to radians, leaving your answer in terms of pi. So 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians. So what we could do is simply multiply that by 60. So that 60 degrees is equal to pi over 180 times 60 equals to 60 pi over 180, which simplifies down to pi over 3 radians. On question C, we're asked to change 50 degrees to radians correct to 2 decimal places. So again, 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radians, and 50 degrees is equal to pi over 180 times by 50, which gives us 50 pi over 180. If we put that into our calculator, we get approximately 0.87 radians. In question D, we're asked to change 1.145 radians into degrees to the nearest minute. Now we know that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi. So to find 1.145 radians, we simply need to multiply 180 over pi times 1.145, which gives us approximately 65.6 degrees. Now this is where understanding how to use your degrees, minutes and seconds operation on your calculator is very helpful, because using your degrees, minutes, seconds buttons, you can easily convert that to 65 degrees and 36 minutes. I hope you found this video helpful.